The information I'm going to give out here from JAMB is probably a sad news, a negative news that we did not expect, but it is real, and that is why I am giving you this video to update you on what is currently happening so that you will be up to date, right? I wish I wouldn't give you this, but it is what it is. So the better, the earlier we know about it, the better. Look at what Alex Sawya said. Over the past few days, I've been giving you updates from Alex Sawya because he got into the mix. He has been one of the principal person influencing JAMB to do the right thing, right? Starting from when JAMB started toiling with your exam on the first JAMB exam day, you all know how it went. A lot of people scored massively low, that even led to the one lady committing suicide. And beyond that, there have been a lot of calls for JAMB to do better. So he was spearheading that call, and JAMB now has to issue a rewriting of JAMB. But even after the rewriting, there have been issues here and there. There have been gaps in the JAMB system, and that is what Alex Sawya is talking about. He is the founder CEO of Educare. Educare is an educational platform, so he has been carrying this matter on his head, trying to ensure that you gain admission this year. And let me give you the update he just dropped few moments ago. I am sure that some students who participated in the JAMB receipt exam had their results. I am aware that some of you that participated in the receipt, you know what I mean by receipt. After JAMB exam, the first one, there was now receipt for those in Enugu, Ebonyi, Abia, Imo, Anambra, and Lagos State. That is Southeast Block and Lagos. I am aware that some students who participated in the JAMB receipt exam had their result withheld and rescheduled for another receipt. You know there is another exam that is coming up. That is basically what they call mop-up. If you have not known about it, please let me know. In fact, I will attach a video at the end of this video for you, so that if you want to rewrite your JAMB score high, you can take advantage of that very offer. I engaged JAMB this morning. So this is what Alex will say. I engaged JAMB this morning, and they said that the center owners were arrested by the N.H.S due to malpractice involvement. JAMB is saying that those people whose results were withheld. I've got some of you telling me in this channel that your result has been withheld, even from Ab Initio. You have not seen your result. If you are one of those, please tell me again in the comment section. Tell me your state where you wrote your JAMB and that your result has been withheld. Or if you scored low, also let me know, so that we can add you to those we are trying to push their matter. They are saying that the students should rewrite the exam. So JAMB is giving you the opportunity to write. Imagine somebody writing JAMB 3 times. Can you imagine that? But for you, why we keep pushing the matter, your own is to please keep reading, keep preparing for your JAMB. Maybe if you are not reciting, you are preparing for post-UTME. Just keep at it. Keep serious. Keep being serious with your preparation. This does not make sense at all. I feel pity for the students. When I give you these videos, it pains me, right? It's a painful thing, but there's nothing we can do. We at the top, we are pushing the matter, but you, the student, please concentrate on reapplying, like checking your portal, checking your profile to know if JAMB rescheduled you for an exam. If they rescheduled you, don't neglect it. Don't say you won't rewrite because you are angry, right? And even if your result is okay, it's called 200 and above, it's called 300 and above, remember to focus on your UTME, your post-UTME, reading as much as you can. It's very, very important. Unfortunately, they haven't shared such important information via their communication channels. I've always been the one asking. So JAMB has not deemed it free to even come out on the official Twitter handle to communicate us on the latest update. Anyways, I won't stop asking. So it is for us to keep asking. I'm giving you this information to let me know if you have this issue of JAMB result not showing, if your JAMB result has been held or withheld. If you are seeing one funny message, just feel free to talk, share the information with us, as we could help to work on it. If you have any issue, let me know. If you scored solo, you want to write, let me know. If you have any question, please let me know. Go ahead, right now. If you want to be able to talk with me directly, go ahead, join our YouTube channel. Just click on join, then like this video, click on like now, like this video now, share this video now, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once you subscribe, come under this video and tell me I have subscribed. Look at this video on the screen, click on it and watch now.